Hello there, and I come your way with another Python tip. I hope that you'll find it useful and helpful. So, without further ado, let's just get into it. So, let's say we have a variable called sentence, and we've assigned a value, let's say I love programming, to this variable. And then what we want to do essentially is to have a way of getting the individual words that are inside of this particular sentence. So what can we possibly do? Let's say we are going to create a list, say words, and then we say equal sentence, and then we call the dots. We call the split method on this sentence, the split, and then we want to split by a space. So space, like so, you make sure when you open the double quote, you hit the space bar to create a space like that. So what happened is if you go ahead and say print, and then we say words, we are expected to have a list of words. Now, to make it even more interesting, what we can do is run a loop on this to get all the individual words. So I'll say that for, let's say, word in words, all right, print, say print word. And then when I go ahead and run this one again, we are getting the individual words that are in the sentence like that. Yeah, so that is just a quick one. If you like videos of this kind, follow and like for more. Thank you for watching.